Good day everyone, my name is Mark Anton T. Martolias, and in today's video, I will discuss about farm irrigation system. So, water requirement discharge calculation. So, first is given, area equal 1 hectare equals 10,000 m squared. So, water needed niya is 60 mm per day. And then, kanang 60 convert na to sa 0.006 m. And then, step 2 is conversion na ta sa water requirement to volume. So, ang volume equal area x depth is sa volume. Tapos, ang area niya kay 10,000 m squared times 0.06, so equals 600 cubic meter. So, sa 3, i-assume na to ang irrigation as applicable for 8 hours per day. So, convert to second, 8 times 3,600 equals 28,000 seconds. And then, Q equal 600, divide na to siya sa 28,000 is 0.208 cubic meter. And then final water requirement is 0.002 cubic meter seconds, 20.8 liter seconds. So, irrigation canal design. So, ang gipili nga canal design is rectangular. Ang iyang discharge is Q equal 0.0208 cubic meter seconds. Tapos, ang iyang assumed velocity is 0.06 meter per seconds. So, let's continue. Pump horsepower requirement. So, first is given Q equal 0.0208 cubic meter. And then, ang yang H is equal to 3 meter. And then, efficient is 0.70. So, sa formulation is HP equal Q times H. Tapos, magkatagtag itong given niya daan nga 75 times N. And then, sa substitute is HP 0.0208 times 3 divide 52.5. So, HP equal 0.00119 equals siya 1 HP. Ram pump. Ram pump is a hydraulic. Ram pump is a water pump that works without electricity or fuel. It uses the natural force of falling water to push a small amount of water upwards. How it works? So, ram pump works, water flows from a higher source into the ram pump. Water picks up speed, then the valve suddenly closes. Then, this creates pressure inside the pump. The pressure forces some water upward to the farm. And then, ang young advantage is no electricity needed, and then low operating cost. Works all day, every day, and then very durable. And then, ang young limitation is needed a full height drop in the water source, pumps only a small percentage of the incoming water, and then cannot work on a flat river.